Hello students, today I'll be teaching you subtraction by regrouping or borrowing. So let's start. Students, see, this is your book and it is page number 44. Okay, so please open your book and start with me. Here you can see this is the main heading which is given here: subtraction by regrouping or borrowing. Borrowing means to take something from another thing. किसी से किसी चीज को उधार लेना. Now start. Regrouping tens into tens and ones. Regrouping or borrowing, both meanings are same. Okay students, so now see, while subtracting, if the digit at the ones place is less than the digit to be subtracted. Okay, suppose this is your question, this is your first column which is given here, and this is your first property and this is your second property. Okay, so we group the tens in such a way that one ten is borrowed from the tens place and added as 10 ones to the existing ones for subtraction. Okay students, now I am going to teach you with the help of one of the example. So now see, this is first example which is given in your book. Subtract 24 from 50 means first of all you have to check which number is bigger and which number is smaller here. Okay, so first of all in subtraction I taught you so many times that we have to choose a bigger number, okay, so that we can subtract easily from bigger to smaller. Okay students, बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को घटाना मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here three methods are given because this is only 2 digits subtraction. Okay students, after this when we will learn 3 digits, so I'll be teaching you some more methods. Here 3 steps are given. So now let's start. Step 1. What is step 1? Okay, see, this is question. I am going to explain you both the things. Okay, see, since 0 is less than 4, here you can see this is your first column of ones, this is your first column. Okay, we are going to talk about first column. This is your first column and here 0 is given but downside 4 is given and this 0 is less than 4, so it is not possible to subtract 4 from 0. Okay, 4 from 0. So see, we will borrow 110 from the tens, means here this is the column of tens, so we have to borrow 1 from this column. This is you and this is your friend. This is your name ones and this is your friend name, that is tens. So you have to ask help or you have to take 1 as a borrow. Okay, so here when you take 1 borrow, so that is called 1 is equal to 10. Here this is the value of 1 is equal to 10. This is the 10 which is the value of 1. Okay students, 1 is equal to, we will count as 10, 1 0 10. Okay, this is the value of 1 in this subtraction by regrouping or borrowing. Okay, we have to follow this method here. So now we have 4 tens and 10 ones. If you have taken 1 as a borrow, then you have got 10 because it was 0. So no any another number which you can add here, so it will become as a 10. So now you have to subtract 4 from 10. So here you can see 4 tens and 10 ones. Okay, 4 tens and 10 ones instead of 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so it was our first column which is completed. Now start step 2. What is step 2? Subtract the ones, means this is ones column, so we have to take 10 as a ones because this is our first column, and we have to subtract 4 from 10. So take 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, how many? 10. 10 blocks are there and you have to deduct 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, we have deducted or we have subtracted. So now start counting left blocks. How many blocks are left with you? 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. So what is your final answer? Your final answer is 6, means it was our first column which we were solving. Now come to the second column. Here you can see this is greater number. 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2 means we can subtract 2 from 4. These are your 4 fingers, 1 2 3 and 4, and you have to subtract 2 fingers. Okay, so 1 and 2, we have subtracted 2 fingers. Then how many fingers are left with you, my dear students? 2 fingers are left with you, so it is written 2 here. Okay, see, when we have taken borrow or tens is given as 1 borrow to ones, so it has become 4. So we have to cut it and then we have to write 4 here. Okay, so is that clear, my dear students? Now I am going to teach you one more example. Now see students, this is page number 46 and this is your first question which I am going to teach you. Here it is given 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. So don't take any tension. Let's start. This is 1 is given and 1 is smaller than 7. Okay, so we have to take 1 borrow from this place, from tens. So draw a circle here, one circle. So these 2 circles are ready. After that, take 1 borrow from here. So after taking borrow, it will become 2. Okay, because 1 minus 3 is equal to 2, and then it will become 11. Okay, because 1, what was the value of 1? Value of 1 was 10. What was the value of 1? When we take borrow, there was the value of 1 is equal to 10. It was the value. Okay, so it has become 11 because here it was given 1 already. So 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. So you have to cut this one also because no use to take this one. This is our final digit. Okay, so now start subtracting. So minus 7 from 11. Okay, now take blocks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. How many blocks are there? 11 blocks. And how many we have to deduct? We have to subtract 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now count how many blocks are left with you. 1 2 3 and 4. How many blocks are left with you? 4 blocks are left with you. Now come to the next column because we have completed our first column, students. Now students, start. See, here it is given 2 because earlier it was 3, but as we have given one borrow, so it has become 2. Okay, so 2 minus no digit. Here is nothing, means when there is no digit it means 0. That is understood. It means 0. So 2 minus 0 is equal to how much? 2. Okay, then again come to the next column. This is our next column. Here it is given 2 and 2 minus nothing means it is understood 0. When you subtract 0 from any digit, so there is no changes in the value. So it is 2 again. 2 minus 0 is equal to what is? That is 2. So what is your final answer? 231 subtracted 7 means when we have subtracted 7 from 231, we have got our answer 224. This is our answer. Okay students, so it is enough for today. I am going to give you 4 more questions as your homework. Please try to solve it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 questions are your homework. Try to solve it. That's enough for today. Bye bye students. Please take care of yourself. Bye.